How to fix FPL login problems. Hey guys, let's get started. Today, let's see why your login problem is causing in the Fantasy Premier League. This could be because of various reasons, but here are three particular solutions. For the number one, tap on Play Store and then tap on the search bar. Then after, write down Premier League or FPL. Once you search for the application, if you have an update button available, in that case, tap on it to update it to the latest version. If it's written open, it means the app is up to date. Let's move on to the second option. For that, you have to go to the app permissions or the storage. In order to do so, the easiest way is long press your app and go to app info. Once that is done, you have to go to storage and cache. Once you click on storage and cache, first of all, make sure to tap on clear cache and then clear data or storage. This will clear all the information so you might have to log in again. Likewise, moving to third solution, go to permissions or app permissions and allow all the permissions. Sometimes this could be creating a problem. And by fixing this, relaunch the application and try to log in and it should work. That is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.